guys, this is my Ford Ecosport and I call him Lightning, and I'm gonna show to you some of the modification that I made. Very cost effective, very cheap modification of my Ford Ecosport. Let me show it to you. Hi guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. This is Julius once again, and this time I'd like to share to you an idea on how I was able to come up with changing or modifying my Ford EcoSport and come up with a unit head which is cost effective, very cheap, and you can do things that you would like to do in your cell phone. Okay, so please just hold on and I'll be sharing to you on how to do it. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, this is my do-it-yourself unit head. As you can see guys, if you have a Ford EcoSport which is a 2017 model and below, you will have the old sync infotainment which doesn't have an LED or smart screen, just like the new model that we have today. So if you want to have a unit head that is cost effective, and you will have like a very large screen for your navigation, like using Waze or Google Map, this is the best way that you can do. I'll give you the hack on how to do it cheap and the very fast way. Well, all you need to do is buy yourself a tablet. Well, you can find it in the internet. You can buy the cheapest one. Mine is, I bought this in the internet for only less than 3,000 pesos. Okay, so if you're gonna take a look at my tablet, this is how simple it is. Okay, and I bought this from Lazada, just like your online store in the US, Amazon or eBay. We have Lazada or Shopee, but and then you need to have this holder, which I bought it for less than 300 pesos. You can use this in different sizes of a tablet. My tablet is 10 inches, so it's very big. It's very enormous. You can watch movies, play YouTube videos, play music. Okay, so and then I'm gonna teach you what kind of software or application that you need to download on Google Store. For your application that you need to download from Google Play Store is called the Car Web Guru Launcher. Okay, so all you have to do is go to your tablet, tap the Play Store application, and then when you're in your Play Store, all you have to do is type in Car Web Guru, and then you will see the result. You will have the Car Web Guru launcher. Press that one, and then mine is already installed. All you have to do is install the software, the application in the tablet. Once the tablet is installed, guys, just open it, and finally you will have this. Okay, but if you newly install the app, you will have this as your default launcher. So all you have to do is go to your application, your app, and look for the icon of the Car Web Guru, and then launch it. And go to the menu, and for the setup, for the program, press program, then choose this one, and choose for the without two option. Okay. Use always, so that you can have okay. So this is your launcher. It's nice, isn't it? Okay. All you have to do is place this to your CD slot, and then voila, you have your improvised or do-it-yourself unit head for your Ford Ecosport using Car Web Guru launcher. I hope that you enjoyed the video and learned something about me, and I'll give you more updates later on. Thank you.
I've heard the stories. I know you've been through a lot, but in my world,
Hi guys, good afternoon and welcome to my channel. This is Julius